Taylor Show. And as you can see, you can't see me right now, but today's theme is, of course, the 4th of July. And I promised you I would do Act Cool, but I thought about it, and I don't want to get my iPod ready. And I'm sorry for the delay. And let's just watch the fireworks. That's so pretty. It's really cool. Really awesome. And where we are watching them is on a bridge. And it is like 9:33 right now. I know. And I'm going to be uploading this home because I don't have any Wi-Fi. So let's just watch them. And I had to wait for the fireworks to come because I had to get light because it's really dark at night. So let's just watch. It's really cool. Oh, and there's my friends and stuff. Say hey, Jared. That's so cool. Really awesome. Really pretty. Colby. Look, say hi. And it's really awesome because fireworks are so fireworks and 4th of July. But it's my second favorite holiday. And I will tell you the shout out question at the end. Yeah, I'm ready. Oh, the shout out. Whoever commented, thank you for commenting. And remember, you can do whatever you want. Because I didn't tell you a shout out. And I already have 3 subscribers. Wait real quick. And a special shout out to the people who make our country have freedom and who free our country and who help us and they protect us. Thank you. You guys have a special shout out. And we are actually at a beach I've never known of before because this is my first time watching it over here. So yeah, and I actually want to live here. Whoa, it's a triple one. Really pretty. I would actually want to. Ooh, you guys missed it. Sorry. But they're open. Oh, I never knew they could change colors before. It looks so up close. Oh, that looks just so up close that it's almost going to burn me to death.
Are they pretty, Mara? She's cold.
That was so pretty, you guys. With the dry something. That's just so pretty. I can't stand it. Christmas style. Confetti style. Guys, Missy, I'm so sorry. It's just so pretty. Wow, that was so pretty, you guys. It was just awesome. Wait. I'm wearing red, white, and blue. Well, here's the red if you don't see it. Stuff. Then here's the blue if you don't see it. Then the words are white on here, so don't worry. I actually like fireworks because they're actually so fun to watch and stuff, and I think they're just really pretty, and it kind of reminds me of like confetti and stuff. It's so cool. Hey guys, it kind of sounds like pop rock. Do you guys see the smoke? I can't believe that. That it felt like it almost hit me. Guys. Hit me, guys. It's so loud. Are they already? Really blends your eyes. Oh, and if you can hear me, that's good. I hope you guys can hear me over the loud sounds and everyone else talking. Cause like it's so fun to watch. This freaking crazy 4th of July day. Happy 4th of July. Okay, guys, I'm sorry, but it's an ending. Now for the shout out question. And now for the shout out question. This for a shout out tomorrow. Tell me your favorite thing to do on the 4th of July. See you guys next week. Well, tomorrow. Bye.